The truth they never told you is that love was never meant to be simple. From the very beginning, you were fed fairy tales. You were shown movies where two people meet, fall in love, and live happily ever after. They told you love would always be laughter, comfort, and warmth. They told you it would be perfect kisses under the rain, midnight phone calls that never end, and promises whispered under the stars. But they never told you that love can be chaos. That it can leave you sleepless at 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling, replaying every word, every look, every silence. They never told you that the same person who makes your heart race could also make your chest ache with longing. They never told you that love is not just about smiles, it is about tears you hide from the world, prayers you whisper in the dark, and battles you fight inside yourself just to keep believing. The truth they never told you is that love is silence. Not empty silence, but heavy silence. The kind of silence that carries all the words you're too afraid to say. The kind of silence where two hearts speak louder than voices ever could. Sometimes it's the pause in a conversation, sometimes it's the breath you hold when their eyes meet yours, sometimes it's the space between you and them that feels like 1,000 miles even if they're sitting right beside you. And yet, even in that silence, you feel alive. They never told you that love is waiting. Waiting for a message that never arrives. Waiting for a call you know won't come. Waiting for someone who feels like destiny itself. They never told you that love sometimes feels like standing on the edge of a cliff, your heart begging you to jump, your mind begging you to stay back, and still, you jump. Because you know, deep down, it was always them. And here is the truth I never said out loud. It was always you. From the very first moment I saw you, something shifted inside me. The world didn't look the same anymore. The colors were brighter. The sounds were sharper. Even the air felt different, heavier, because it carried your name. I didn't know then, but I know now, every second since that moment has belonged to you. They told me that love fades with time. That the fire burns out, that passion becomes routine. But they never told me that with you, every day would feel like the first. That even when days turn into weeks, and weeks into months, and months into years, the way my heart reacts to you never changes. They never told me that distance could never erase what I feel. That silence could never kill the voice inside me that whispers your name, again and again, like a prayer. Do you know what else they never told you? They never told you that love is madness. The kind of madness that makes you restless. The kind that makes you jealous of the wine because it gets to touch the person you long for. The kind that makes you jealous of the night because it gets to hold their dreams. The kind that keeps you awake at night, replaying conversations that ended hours ago, dissecting every word, every pause, every sigh. The madness that makes you fight with yourself, question everything, lose yourself, and still choose to love anyway. They never told you that love is pain. The kind of pain that makes your chest ache, the kind that weighs down your soul, the kind that leaves you empty and full at the same time. The kind that makes the happiest memories feel like knives when you're left alone with them. But here's the truth, love is worth it. Every tear, every sleepless night, every unanswered prayer is worth it. Because love is also beauty. It's in the way someone looks at you across a crowded room and suddenly the noise fades. It's in the way their laughter can heal parts of you that you didn't even know were broken. It's in the way your name sounds different on their lips, like it was always meant to be spoken that way. It's in the way two souls can communicate without words, without touch, without reason. They never told you that love isn't always about holding hands, but about holding hearts. That sometimes love is about staying, even when everything feels impossible. That love is about believing, even when the world calls you foolish. That love is about waiting, even when you don't know how long the wait will be. And here is the truth I can't run from anymore. When I look at you, I don't just see a person. I see my world. I see my future. I see the story that was written for me long before I was born. You are not just a chapter in my life, you are the book itself. You are the ink, the paper, the words. Without you, the story doesn't exist. They told me people fall in love once. But they never told me that with you, I would fall again and again. Every time you smile. Every time you speak. Every time your silence lingers in the air between us, pulling me closer without a single word. They never told me that I would never stop falling. And so, this is the truth they never told you. The truth I can no longer hide. That no matter the storms, no matter the distance, no matter the silence, my heart is yours. Now, tomorrow, forever. Because love, real love, does not fade. It does not break. It does not die. It only transforms. It only grows deeper, stronger, wilder. And my truth is simple. I belong to you. And I always will. The truth they never told you is that love is not only found in closeness. Sometimes, love exists most powerfully in distance. They never told you how it feels to crave someone's presence while holding nothing but silence in your hands. They never told you how it feels when their absence becomes louder than their presence ever was. They never told you that sometimes, love lives in unanswered calls, in empty inboxes, in the haunting quiet of a room that once held their laughter. You see, they told you love is about togetherness. But they never told you love is also about survival. About waking up every morning with a weight in your chest because they're not beside you, and still choosing to breathe anyway. They never told you that love is sometimes about holding on when everything inside you screams to let go. They never told you that the person you love the most might also be the one who breaks you the deepest. That the very lips you dream of kissing could be the same lips that remain sealed in silence when you need them most. That the very eyes you lose yourself in could be the same eyes that look away when you're desperate for them to stay. The truth they never told you is that love is contradiction. It is the highest joy and the sharpest pain. It is the fire that warms you and the fire that burns you. It is the whisper that saves you and the silence that kills you. And yet, you can't walk away. Because they also never told you this, love is not always a choice. You don't choose the person who haunts your dreams. You don't choose the one your soul aches for in the quiet hours of the night. You don't choose the name that your heart whispers when your mind begs you to stop. It chooses you. The truth they never told you is that love is obsession. Not the unhealthy kind, but the kind that consumes you in ways you never imagined. The kind where every song suddenly sounds like them. The kind where every face in the crowd blurs, except theirs. The kind where you start seeing their reflection in raindrops, hearing their laughter in echoes, feeling their touch in the wind. They never told you that sometimes love drives you mad. It makes you jealous of strangers who get to hear their voice. It makes you jealous of the sun that gets to shine on them, of the moon that watches them sleep, of the pillow that cradles their head when you can't. It makes you jealous of the seconds they spend away from you, because every second without them feels stolen. But here is another truth. Love, in all its madness, is still the most beautiful kind of insanity. Because even when it hurts, even when it burns, even when it destroys you, you wouldn't trade it for anything else. They never told you that love is memory. That once you've loved someone deeply, they live inside you forever. Their voice becomes a soundtrack in your head. Their smile becomes an afterimage you can't erase. Their presence lingers in every place you go, in every corner you thought was yours alone. They never told you how it feels when memories become ghosts. When the laughter you once shared comes back to haunt you in the middle of the night. When the little details, like the way they tilted their head or the way they said your name, become daggers that cut deeper with time. They told you to move on. But they never told you that moving on doesn't mean forgetting. They never told you that no matter how many miles you walk, a part of you will always stay behind with them. The truth they never told you is that love is forever. Not always forever in the physical sense. Not always forever in the way two people stay side by side. But forever in the way they remain a part of your soul. Forever in the way they shape you, change you, complete you. And maybe that's what they were afraid to tell you. That love is not always about happy endings. Sometimes, love is about endings that never come. Sometimes, love is about carrying someone with you even when they're no longer yours. Sometimes, love is about writing a story with invisible ink, one the world will never see, but one your heart reads every single day. Here is my truth, the one I cannot escape. Even in the silence, even in the distance, even in the pain, it is still you. It has always been you. You are the thought that greets me when I wake up, the echo that lingers when I try to sleep, the shadow that follows me no matter how far I run. You are the weight in my chest, the fire in my veins, the prayer on my lips. You are the reason I am restless, and the only reason I am alive. They never told you that love would feel like this. That it would be both poison and medicine. That it would be both curse and blessing. That it would break you and heal you, often in the same moment. But now you know. The truth they never told you is that love is everything. It is the wound and the cure. It is the question and the answer. It is the problem and the solution. It is the one thing that destroys you and the only thing that saves you. And though the world never warned you, though no one ever prepared you, I will say the words they were too afraid to say. Love is pain. Love is madness. Love is silence. Love is waiting. Love is obsession. Love is memory. Love is contradiction. But above all, love is worth it. Always worth it. Because even if it shatters you, even if it burns you, even if it leaves you broken on the floor, the truth they never told you is that you'll still choose it. You'll still choose them. And I'll still choose you.